Start with the great name of Allah, who is most kind and merciful. So, first of all, my name is Ali Azad Chandeo, page BSCS, page 2K70, LCS 10. Submit by Ali Azad Chandeo and submit to Sir Farhan Ali Suryo. So, this is outline. C Sharp, C Sharp install, C Sharp future, net application of C Sharp. What is C Sharp? C Sharp is a general purpose modern and object oriented program language pronounced as C Sharp. It was developed by Microsoft, led by Anders Hagel and his team within the net entity and was approved by the European Computer Manufacturers Association is international standard organization. ISO C+ is among the language for common language intellectual and the current version of C+. Is version 7.2. C+ is lot similar to Java scientifically and is essay for the user who have knowledge of C++ or Java. So C plus pronounced C Sharp is an object-oriented program language for Microsoft that aims to cabin the computing power of C++, which the program essay of Virtual Basic C++ is based on C++ and contains features similar to that of Java. C++ is designed to work with a Microsoft Net platform. Microsoft's aim is the effective and the exchange of information and service over the web and to enable developer to build a highly portable application. C program through it use of extremely marked highly portable application. C++ program that is the use of Marx language, XML and simple object access protocol, which allows access to a program object, a method without requiring the programmer to write additional code of each step, because program can build of external code rather than responsibility. It is C++ is accepted to make it faster and less accessible to get new products and service to market. So key characters of C+ language include modern and essay, fast and open sources, cross-platform, safe, where settled all language. So after the installing is complete, click on the launch button, the get start with Virtual Studio. On the start window, choose create a new project. Then click on the install more tool and future button. Choose console app netcode from the list and click on the next button. So enter a name of your project and click on the create button. Virtual Studio will automatically generate some code for your project. So why C++? C++ is many other reasons for being popular, and the demand few other reasons are monitored below. It is one of the most popular program language in the world. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It is a Hague community support asset start widely used for development community, game development. Asset start. C++ is a highly level language, so it is a closer to other popular program language like C++ and Java, and this because essay to learn for anyone. Widely used for developing desktop and web application. C++ is widely used for developing web application and this desktop application. It is one of the most popular languages that is used the personally desktop at anyone want to create Microsoft app. C plus is their first choice. Committee, the larger the committee, the better it is. Now tools and software will be developing to make it better. C plus is a large committee, so that developments and done to make is exit the system and not because accident. So game development, C plus is widely used to game development and will continue to demand C plus integrate with Microsoft and this is a large thread. The C plus features such as automatic collection interface, object origin, etc. make C plus popular game developing language. So C Sharp is used for mobile application, desktop application, web applications, web service, websites, games, VR, database application, and much more. So C Sharp future, Windows from the VBA for two major technologies used. So C Sharp future, Windows from the VBA are the two major technology used to develop Windows client application. C plus can also used to write non and VPN browser based application. Virtual Studio 213 supports for project template include Windows from application, VM application, console application, and VFE browser application. Here are some common properties of Windows applications. Features: simplicity, speeds, good image resolution, flexibility, security, search option, bright and broad color schemes, push notifications, user feedback, updates. So what is NET? NET is a free course platform of open secure developer platform for building many different type of application. With NET you can use multiple language editor and applies to blood for the web, mobile, desktop, game and lot. NET framework is a managed execution environment for Windows that allows software developer and create software application in the program language and be assured that the app will be able to work with code written in other language. The framework which are designed is object code and matterware is the stored and execute is the primary of Microsoft NET technologies. So the NET platform was designed to reduce program accuracy and increase the portability by using the models approach software design. The framework feature a common language written clear and a class library or a CLR is Microsoft implementation of the common language. So interclear CLI instead of helping different program language and library work together. The CLR manage system service such as memory, their execution code. Execution code safely verification and communication. The clause library communication types code that developer can call from the on app that provide functionally for the something the file input and output processing involved the Mac language XML and working with Windows Form. Microsoft development tools for designed by development net and the called Virtual Studio and app are typically written in the Virtual Basic VB or C++. The Microsoft test framework can be used to provide quick ensures for NET application. How the NET framework works: secure code written in a language is compiled in intermediate language XL, which is told that this executable file called in the assembly context is the provide information about the about the code type, version, security requirement. Once the assembly loads into the clear of code can be translated to Navigated machine code instructions. So net framework architecture. The basic architecture of the net framework is shown below. Net framework architecture diagram. Language, library, CLR. So language, WinForms, ASP.NET, AutoNet, Form and library. Library framework class library. CLR common language return time. So VBA.NET and level 1 VBA.NET C+, level 2 VB.NET C and compiler C++ compiler, level 3 common language interpreter. Levels 1 language. The first level is the program language itself. The most common ones are VB.NET and C++. Second compiler. There is a compiler which will be for each program language. So the VB.NET language, there will be a separate VB.NET compiler. Similarly for C++, you will have other compiler. 3 common language interpreter. This is the final law in net which would be used to run a net program developer in any program language, so that subsequent compiler will send program to the CLI to run the net applications. So net features: common language runtime CLR, net framework class library, inter-protocol common type CTI, and S-non program portability, high performance, memory management, security. Application of net. The net framework can be used to create many type of applications. So window application, web application, console application. So Windows application program have made executable use for the build user interface. Each time to create a window application, Virtual Studio will display a default blank form into which you can drag the controls into your application. Main form adjust their size of side and positions. So printer and button 1. And web application. A web application program that is stored on the remote server and delivered over the internet through a browser interface, web service and web app of definitions. And many, although not all websites contain a web app, acquiring the web ecosystem, app storms editor, remake and a website components that perform same function for the user qualifiers and the web app. So web application architecture explored. Console application. C++ is the language provided by Microsoft, and Microsoft work with net the language encompasses and rich set of features which allows developing different type of application. C++ is object-oriented program language and reusable server subjects of C++ language. In the term we use has developed by first application. This will be basic console application with explore different data type available available in the C++ language will as the control flow statements. Create console application. Step 1. The first step involves the creation of a new project in Visual Studio. For the essence of Visual Studio launched for need the choice of menu option new project. So step 2. The next step is the choice the project type of console application. Here we also need to mention the name of location of our project. Step 3. Now let's write a code which will be used to display an string hello world in the console application. All the below code needs to be integrated into the programs file. The code will be used to write hello world when the console application runs. So C plus hello world program using system using collections Grenade using system lang using text using system blending tasking namespace demo application class program stack white main and slang arrows console write hello world console read. This is a C plus hello world programs. So thank you so much.